Hello everyone, my name is Kurleen Kaur and the title of our project for Impact Day is Detection of Issues and Faults in Railway Lines and Alerting through IoT. We are five group members for this project: Navdeep, Sukraj, my name is Kurleen, Pushpinder and Hardik. These are the stakeholders for our project. Our lecturer is Mr. Paul, our project supervisor is Mr. Nazmus Nafi and the CEO of Career DZ, Mr. Hassan. Project Overview. The project overview of our project is pretty simple. The whole idea is about checking the physical flaws, such as cracks in the railway lines, as railways are one of the most essential transport, yet many accidents happen on railway lines due to cracks in the track. It would be undesirable for a nation to lose millions of dollars and many precious lives to this unwanted cause. Even though regular manual checks are performed on tracks, yet there can be chances that the track can be left unnoticed. To avoid this situation and to save many lives of people, we introduced a railway crack detection system. This will help in preventing the accidents and errors in railway lines and will save millions of dollars and many lives. There are many advantages for this system, such as less cost, low power consumption, less analysis time, and this project facilitates better safety standards using simple techniques. Some pictures, codings, and videos are provided in next few slides to propose a better understanding of our project. Now I would like to pass it on to Hardik to explain the objectives and further.
Hi guys, so we are making a crack detection system using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino R3 board. We have designed a system which is very low budget and the system will work without any interruptions. In our system, the ultrasonic sensor will be used to monitor the cracks, and after detecting the cracks, it will alert our system, and then our car will stop at the position of the crack. We have also attached a buzzer which will beep after the ultrasonic sensor will detect the cracks. We have also attached a LCD display with our Adreno R3 board which will display the message when our sensor detects the crack. Now we will discuss about the hardware and software we used in our project. The hardware we used in our project is Adreno R3, ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, a 16 into 2 LCD display, a breadboard, a motorboard, a 5-volt relay, a potentiometer, and a power supply. And the software that we used is Adreno IDE 1.8.15. Now, I would like Lavdeep to continue.
Hello everyone, myself Lavdeep Singh and now I am going to explain that how we can connect it wires in our project. For first of them, like in alarm, we have two wires, like first is the red wire and second is the black wire, which goes to second pin and the GND ground pin simultaneously. For ultrasonic sensor, we have four wires in which ground wires attached with the another ground wire of the Arduino, trig and echo wires with -9 and -10 pins, and VCC wire with connect with the 5 voltage, which also shown in the figure. For display, we have some different types of pins like register select, read and write, enable, reset, which connects to the digital pin of the Arduino UNO, and the rest pins connect with the ground and 5 voltage. And now I would like to hand over our presentation to Sukraj.
Thank you, Lavdeep. So for the block diagram of our project, we combine two sections. So first one is the robot section and another is the train section. So as Lavdeep already talked about the circuit diagrams of all the devices, so in robot section, we are combining the whole setup which came to a robot section where all the wires are connected in different pins with the help of breadboard. So now for the train section, as you can see, we have used 4WD motor chassis kit with a mounting plate on it, where we have mounted our robot section at the top. So moving further for the experimental result. So as you can see that It displays real-time status of crack detection on liquid crystal display. If a crack is discovered on rail lines, the robot came stand still and send a warning coordinate to the authority that a crack has been detected at which distance, and allowing them to take necessary actions. If no crack is identified, the robot resumes its crack detecting, and it shows that no object or no crack on the display. So now I would like to welcome Pushpita to present the next slides.
Yep, thanks, Raj. So this video will be demonstrating most of our project. So have a look.
As in above slides, I've discussed about the train section and robot section. So this is our complete overview of our project. So the component we are using the 4 motors, and we are using 2 batteries of 7 volt altogether. And this is Arduino board for the control action, and 1 breadboard to extend the current. And on the one edge there is a display for the output if there is any crack detected or not. And also we are using 1 ultrasonic sensor, so which will identify the crack and deformation on the railway track. As you can see, we have attached 1 buzzer and 1 relay inside our robot, which will help our train to stop when the buzzer beeps. To power on and off, we have attached 1 button to turn on and to turn off. So let's see the working of our project. Let's assume this table as a railway track, because we are now working on real railway tracks for the safety reason. So this would be a railway track and this gap would be a crack. So let's see how it works. So now let's start the device.
Yep. So that was the video well demonstrated by my teammate Sukraj Kaur. And let's have a look for the future enhancement. So I'll be telling you about future enhancement of the project. If this project goes ahead, then me and my teammates will be accepting the feedback from the clients for better outcomes. And according to these feedbacks, modification will be done in the device. We will be adding cameras as well in the project, and will be modifying the device with regular maintenance, with regular intervals. Project will be updated on a daily basis, and me and my team is trying to provide client operator free setup. So this, I will be ending my team's project. Thanks, guys.